Welcome to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Japanese for beginners, how to read, write and speak Japanese. Initially, Japanese did not have any writing system prior to introduction of Chinese characters during 5th and 6th centuries AD. These Chinese characters are called kanji in Japanese. Hiragana and katakana were developed during 9th century. Thus, Japanese writing system is composed of 3 distinct scripts. These are number 1, hiragana, number 2, katakana, and number 3, kanji. Hiragana and katakana are collectively known as kana scripts. These are phonetic scripts. Means each character has a specific sound but no meaning of its own. Pronunciations of both hiragana as well as katakana are same, but the scripts are different. Hiragana scripts are round and cursive, while katakana scripts are more sharp and angular. Hiragana is the set of basic Japanese scripts. These scripts are used for grammatical purposes and writing words of Japanese origin. Theoretically, almost everything can be written in hiragana, while set of katakana scripts is used for writing words of foreign origin, for example, names of countries, people or things which are not of Japanese origin. Kanji are Chinese pictograms and ideograms. Each kanji has basic meanings as well as 2 types of pronunciations. Number 1 is the basic Japanese pronunciations known as kunyomi, and Sino-Japanese pronunciations known as onyomi. In Japanese, compound words, that is, words having 2 or more kanji, generally on-yomi readings are used, while in Japanese words having only 1 kanji, generally kun-yomi readings are used. These kanji are used for nouns and stems of adjectives and verbs. There are more than 40,000 kanji. However, about 2,000 kanji covers almost over 95% of written Japanese text. In Japanese schools, about 1,000 kanji are taught at elementary level and about 2,000 kanji are taught up to high school level. Now, question arises, if everything can be written in hiragana, then why do we need kanji at all? This thing we will discuss later on. First, we will learn how to read and write hiragana and katakana. In both, there are 3 groups of scripts. In group 1, There are 46 scripts. In group 2, there are 25 scripts, and in group 3, there are 33 scripts. Out of 46 scripts of group 1, 5 are vowels, 40 consonants, plus vowel, and 1 there is a special character, that is vowel-less. Scripts of group 2 are based on scripts of group 1, while scripts of group 3 are based on scripts of group 1 and 2 both. So first we will learn how to read and write scripts of group 1. So let us start first with hiragana scripts. A line, that is vowels, these are 5 hiragana vowels. They are pronounced as a, e, u, a, and o. In Hindi, it can be written as a, e, u, a, and o. A, e, u, a, o. Now each script or each character is written following definite strokes order. For example, here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 3. Here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 1, stroke number 2, here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, and stroke number 3. In case of A, stroke number 1 is slightly tilted upward, while stroke number 2 is slightly curved. It should not be like this. In case of E, both the strokes are slightly curved, and stroke number 2 is slightly smaller than stroke number 1. Here and here there is gap between stroke number 1 and stroke number 2, and this portion of A, it should be horizontal. It should not be like this. So these are 5 vowels of hiragana pronounced as A, I, U, A, O. Next is K line hiragana. These are K line hiragana pronounced as ka, ki, ku, ke and ko. In Hindi it is written as ka, ki, ku, ke and ko. These skips are also written using definite strokes order. For example, here this is stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 3. Here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 3 and stroke number 4. Here this is singular stroke. Here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 3. Here stroke number 1, stroke number 2. So these are A line and K line hiragana. A line hiragana are vowels, 5 vowels of hiragana. Now we will stop here and continue further hiragana scripts in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.